5 things you need to do after a breakup. Personal. Give yourself time to heal. It is important to take the time to process your feelings and emotions after a breakup. Allow yourself to grieve, but also set a timeline for when you want to start moving forward. Reach out to friends and family. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who will lift you up. Talking about your feelings with someone you trust can also help you feel better. Focus on self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being. This may include activities such as exercise, meditation, or pursuing a new hobby. Reflect on what you learned. Use the experience as an opportunity for personal growth. Think about what you learned about yourself and what you want in a relationship in the future. Consider therapy. If you're having trouble processing your feelings and moving forward, consider seeking the help of a professional therapist. They can provide you with tools and support to help you heal and move forward in a healthy way. The healing process after a breakup varies from person to person and can depend on many factors such as the nature of the relationship, the length of the relationship, and an individual's coping skills and support system. Some people may feel better after a few weeks, while others may take months or even years to fully heal. It is important to remember that everyone heals at their own pace and there is no set timeline for recovery. Processing and understanding feelings. Talking about your feelings helps you process and make sense of them. This can help you understand what you're going through and what you need to do to heal. Relieve emotional stress. Sharing your feelings can help relieve emotional stress and provide a sense of relief. When we keep our feelings bottled up, they can become overwhelming and lead to anxiety and depression. Support system. Talking about your feelings with someone you trust can help you feel supported and less alone. Having someone to listen and offer guidance can be incredibly helpful in a healing process. Gain new perspectives. Sharing your thoughts and feelings with others can help you gain new perspectives and insights into your situation. This can be especially helpful if you're struggling to make sense of what happened. It's important to note that it's not necessary to personal growth. Relationships often bring to light personal flaws and insecurities. By acknowledging and addressing these issues, individuals can grow and become stronger emotionally. Increased emotional intelligence. Relationships require emotional intelligence and the ability to communicate effectively. By working on these skills in a relationship, individuals can develop and improve their emotional intelligence. Coping skills. Dealing with the ups and downs of a relationship can help individuals develop coping skills and resilience. This can help them better handle difficult situations in the future. Understanding of what you want. Relationships can help individuals understand what they want in a partner and in a relationship. This can lead to clearer communication and stronger relationships in the future. Emotional bonds. Relationships can also create strong emotional bonds and provide individuals with a sense of connection and support. It's important to remember that relationships, especially difficult ones, can also be a source of pain and hurt. However, by processing and learning from these experiences, individuals can come out stronger on the other side.